Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the specific clip and workpiece so every push is controlled. Identify the clip profile and fit the pusher tip. Once locked, secure the part in a clamp to prevent shifting. Line up the pusher tool perpendicular to the groove and use a firm, steady motion to engage the clip edge. Keep your non-dominant hand clear and listen for the click that indicates partial seating. Make sure the pusher depth stop prevents overdrive before you continue to the next step. Once the clip contacts the groove, transition to controlled seating to distribute force evenly. Apply steady pressure and feel for increasing resistance. If it spikes, withdraw slightly and realign to avoid bending the clip. Use short, measured pushes rather than one long shove, and rotate the part if multiple contact points exist. After seating, inspect from both sides and use a caliper to confirm flush placement. If the clip only partially engages, repeat gentle taps until to finish, verify the clip is fully seated and performs its retention function. Make sure moving parts still operate smoothly. If the clip is distorted or won't seat, remove and replace it rather than forcing further. Corrosion or incorrect size causes most failures. For tight fits, a thin film of lubricant or gentle heat to 40-50 degrees C can ease installation, and using a backing anvil prevents inward flare. If things go wrong, stop and reassess alignment and tool tip size before retrying to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.